What you got, Kyle?
That one hopefully is pretty big.
Flat pin. Flat pin. Don't get me in the picture.
Okay, well. Got color yet?
Back it up, bring it back, bring it back.
No color?
See it, I see it.
What do we got?
Still
pulling a little bit now.
Is it thumping?
Nope.
Oh, there it
No
goes.
thumping? Motors. Yeah, Blackfin. Very nice.
Can I get the net? Or gas it?
Wing it in the boat.
Swing it in here.
Swing it in. Looks like he's hooked pretty good. Hurry up. Very nice.
Woo!
Yeah. That's a good one.
Oh, where's the bird?
Oh my gosh, Kyle.
Come on.